everyone, I would like to introduce myself to you. I'm Jaya Jashwantini from Sparkling Stars team.
Hello everyone, I am Dhanasupraja from Sparkling Stars team.
Hi all, let me introduce myself to you. I am Mahalakshmi from Sparkling Star Group.
FAO estimates that 40% of food produced is wasted in India per year. At the same time, many people die due to hunger. Why do people die due to hunger when the food is wasted? We have created Share and Care app. Our biggest inspiration for creating this app is Akiba ma'am's speech during our official lunch. It was really an awesome speech. She told us the hard terms of social workers. It was really hard to hear those things, and we have created this app to help the social workers.
Now I am going to describe about problem and solution statement in Share and Care app. Poor people do not eat food every day. In some family, mother went to work without having food because then only their children have enough food to eat. In some family, elders take care of their youngers. They eat less food, then only their youngers have enough food to eat. Some homeless people searching their food in the trash. This is the very painful thing in the world. Apart from this, many hotels and restaurants are wasting food. They threw the remaining food in the trash. There are few social workers who are willing to help the needy peoples, but they do not have the proper facilities to help them. Also, they do not have exact location of the hotels and restaurants where the food is remaining. Some people are interested to help the needy peoples, but they don't know how to donate the food. So we decided to help the needy peoples, social workers who are interested to donate the food to the needy peoples. Our app Share and Care will be very useful for this process. In our app, the social workers can get the exact location of the hotel and where the food is available. In our app, home cooked food also available. For poor people, there is a separate page to buy a cheapest food are listed. We all hope that through this app, the percentage of needy peoples will reduce little by little. We always support for them and care for them.
About app, in our app you can share your home cooked foods, that is foods which are remaining in your home or in foods which are remaining in parties, hotels or functions, any functions, weddings or something, so that it will be distributed to the poor peoples at our cheapest cost. And we will also list cheapest foods in your area or in your city, which will be helpful for the people who are in need. Our main motto of our app is that no one should sleep with hunger. That is our main motto. 11 food is for sharing and not for wasting. Our special feature in our app is cheapest food. Cheapest food means so many people are giving food at lowest cost, like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, so that it will be affordable for poor people. So we in our app we will mention the location where the cheapest food will be available.
One of the feature in our app is home cooked foods. The food which is wasted in our homes due to excess of cooking can be planned wisely and given to the needy people so that it will be helpful for them.
Features in our app. In hotels and a restaurant, they threw the remaining food into the trash. In some places like market, they are also wasting the remaining vegetables. In that case, they can use our app and donate the remaining food to the needy peoples.
Business plan. Our business plan is that to get a minimum cost of 5 rupees who get a purchase from our app, that 5 rupees will be helpful to give salary for the people who are working for our app. 5 rupees is the minimum cost. If people like to donate more than 5 rupees, they can also give more than 5 rupees, and people who like to donate also can donate for our app.
You will know the worth of food when you don't have it. Needy people deserves your food, so don't waste it. It's a beautiful act as a responsible citizen. So think wisely, do wisely, and save food. And thank you Technovision Girls team for giving this wonderful opportunity. And thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.